You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Monday, July 17th. We got a great show for you. Coming up, we're talking about Comic-Con this week, some Tesla news, we review Splatfest that we enjoyed this past weekend. George Romero's passed away, so we'll be talking about that. Some new Atari news on the console, and finally, Blue Apron is getting beat up today. So look for each of those to be a recap video posted today on YouTube, and that's what we got coming up for you if you're watching live. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Tesla is once again in the news, and I'm thinking at this point that investors can't be too thrilled with Elon Musk on some of the things that he's doing. We have another distraction from him on a project that people are speculating he could be working on. And for investors at Tesla, this can't be good news. He recently tweeted out that he got the domain name back for x.com, and it meant a lot to him. So that in itself wasn't generally groundbreaking, but he followed that up with some tweets that have people thinking that he could be working on another project and that x.com is going to turn into that. And right now it just shows a picture of an X, or actually just the letter X in the corner. It's not even a picture. It's just text. So Tesla stock is taking a little bit of a beating today on this type of news. Pulled back a couple of percentage today. He's said recently that the stock is overpriced. He's got a bunch of distractions with a Boring Company, trying to get to Mars with one of his other companies, and now another potential thing that he's working on with this X.com. And it's getting to the point where people are starting to look at it and say, you have to deliver here. We'll see if he can maintain his focus. There's been a lot of negative sentiment recently on Tesla stock. It's still had a heck of a run and could potentially have a even bigger run coming up. As you can see, it's gone up quite a bit after trading sideways for a long time. So this could be a little pullback as it marches upwards again. It's not a stock that I'm touching, and I think a lot of people are right that he's starting to get his hand in on a few too many things, and his focus isn't on the core business that's at Tesla. And I say the core business, which is at Tesla, I mean, he already kind of messed that up with his big merger with, his solar panels and energy business that he's working on. So it's hard to say what his core business is now. And as they kind of miss deadlines and different things for these cars, people are going to get more frustrated. So this certainly, to me, if you're an investor, this isn't good news. Even if people are speculating that he has a new project on, his focus needs to be on the task at hand. So we're still staying away from Tesla. We constantly get questions about Tesla and what we think, and it's always been negative. Not what they make or what their vision is for the future, but the company itself and owning the stock we're not big fans of. So let me know what you think on Tesla. Is it going to keep going higher, or you think the bubble's going to burst eventually and people are going to lose a lot of money? I'm in the latter camp, certainly. So I'm going to wrap it up for today. Appreciate everyone for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Those who are watching live, you can check the show out live Monday through Friday, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central. Contact the show. You can tweet us, email us, leave comments in the video on the recaps we post up on YouTube. Every day we take the live show and we do the individual articles as recap videos. So check those out. Leave us some feedback. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed them. Subscribe if you haven't already so you get the latest investing news for gamers. So appreciate you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.